Welcome to another video from Gweilo 60. I don't often do box openings, but when there's a company out there that interests me, or there's a product out there that interests me, this one's sort of a double hitter because not only does the company interest me, but the product interests me. And these guys here, Blackview, they make an indestructible cell phone. But we'll get into that maybe in another video. That's not what this video is about. This video is about the Blackview Tab 9 tablet. Okay, so it came in this box. They shipped it to me. It actually arrived within 2 days of shipping. I am in mainland China, so it might be longer someplace else, but all bubble wrapped and everything, you know what I mean? And it comes in this pretty little case. I haven't opened it up yet. Let me see if I can't. Oh, it's just like Christmas, guys. When I get stuff like this, I love it because all new technology, all different things. Weifeng's gonna love this product because this thing has like a super big battery. Before I even open it, it's got a 7480 mAh battery. If you were to watch video on this unit, you're gonna be watching for 6 hours between charges. What is it? If you were just to play music, 38 hours. You could turn this puppy on a Friday night, and Sunday morning, this guy would still be playing music. You know what I mean? So it's got a super heavy duty battery in it. And I think that's one of the things that people look for in a product like this. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't even know what color it is. I'm sort of like packaged perfectly. You know what I mean? Like, oh, look at this, guys. It comes, well, before we get into this, it comes with your USB cable. Comes with, oh yeah, you got your earbuds, and you've got your plug-in. Okay, and you've got your rugged outdoor smartphones, Tab Series 9. See, rugged outdoor smartphones. That's one of the things. I'm hoping that we can do a box opening on that in the future. Let's get into the actual tablet and what it looks like. Oh yeah, take that off. So, you know, this little boy, let me go through this a little bit. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is more than enough for a tablet. It's got a 10.1 inch full angle display, which is good. I've already talked about the battery. The battery is one of the super main things here. And it's got a front camera, a 5 megapixel front camera. Rear camera, 13 megapixel. So, like, you know, it's one of those units that you gotta love it. Let's put this back on there and Tab 9. Okay, so like other things that this puppy has, you know, it's got 64 gigabytes of ROM, more than enough. It's an Android unit, but it comes with installed Google and Google Chrome. So you don't have to, it's already booted up with all of these things. So why don't we boot this puppy up and see exactly what we're dealing with here. Blackview. Let's go. Android, powered by Android. Ain't this cool? When you get it out of the box, it's already got a charge in it, so you don't have to worry about that. You can play with it right away. Blackview. Oh yeah, Blackview. And as you probably noticed by now, my cat Mimi likes to get into just about every video that I do inside. So, hi Mimi, how you doing, buddy? Anyway, let's get back to the box opening. The craftsmanship of this Tab 9 is superb. The screen is covered in glass, and the unibody design made out of aluminum makes it of a high quality. The quality that you would get in a higher priced tablet. The cost of this tablet is very friendly in the scale of what you buy on the market today. So when you're out there looking, and I'm going to be putting links in the description below so that you can go and you can check all of this stuff out. I'm just bringing this to your attention. This is a very nice unit, and when you're there, you can check out the other products that that Blackview sells on the market today. They have very competitive prices on their products compared to the other products out there on the market, and you get the superb craftsmanship, you get the great battery, you get all of the things that the higher priced units have at a lower cost. Go figure, eh? What a concept. Why didn't I think of that? And this little unit comes with all the little bells and whistles that you would need for a tablet. Because this is only 8.9 millimeters wide, you've got a little USB port here because there's not enough room at 8.9 millimeters. So you plug it in. You've got your earbuds. So if you want to listen to your music all by yourself, you got those. And your plug-in. You can plug it into the wall. This just happens to be a plug-in for China. But you can always plug it into your computer. It doesn't really matter to charge it up. Charges quickly, and it lasts a long time. What is it for web browsing? 7.5 hours of just web browsing. And one of the things you have to understand is that 8.9 millimeters, you guys, look at this, 8.9 millimeters wide. It is small, it is handy, it is, you know, it can go anywhere. It can stick in a purse, you can go in a backpack, you can carry it in your hand. It's one of those things, very high quality, really good, really good cameras on this thing. And being a tuber, I know cameras. And it comes with a free case to stick it in, you know, so the free case is nice to have. For one thing, it you know, because it's got the front piece on it, it protects your screen from getting scratched. It just looks better. It's one of those things that and it's free. You know, anything free is a good thing. I haven't hooked it up to Wi-Fi yet, but you know, if you want to give a presentation, the case helps. You know, it doubles as a stand. So when you're giving a presentation to people, like what I'm doing right now, it just helps out a lot. So when you're looking for a tablet in the near future or today, a month or two down the road, think of the Tab 9 Blackview tablet. It's very cost effective. As I say, the links are going to be in the description below. I don't think you can get a better deal on the market for something like this right now. This is the real deal. So if you want this product, description below, all the links are there. If you like this video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, push that share button. Don't forget to resubscribe. Don't forget to push the like button and the bell to be notified of upcoming videos from Gweilo 60. And whatever you do, don't forget to put a couple bucks in the children's Patreon account. It's for a good cause. And remember, Blackview Tab 9 tablet.